Hello everybody, welcome back to another edition of the EcoStruxure Machine Scada Expert Training. I'm your host, Leandro Mada, and in this video what we're going to see is how we can share the variables from the Modicon M262 to the Scada using the CoDeSys driver, okay? In the previous video I show how to do that without the authentication. So when you access to the PLC on the M262 and you have the security already enabled, you just need to use the user and password. In the previous video I showed that we need to delete that in order to communicate. Now I'm going to show you how to do the integration with the security. Okay, so let's go to the software. So this part is already complete. Okay, I share with the, or I'm going to configure everything to be on the, to be available for the CoDeSys driver. So I need to use the GBL. Okay, define the variables that I'm going to use on the GBL there, assign one of those and at least one of the POUs, then create a symbol configurator and select what you need to share with the Scada. On the Ethernet port, it's important that you define this, the Machine Expert protocol already enabled. That will be for the CoDeSys driver. And then once you have that, you just need to go here, build, generate code, and it will create a XML file for us. That's the file that you need to get from the Scada in order to see the variables. Now, that part seems to be complete. Okay. If you go to online security, here you should be able to see that it's already enabled. So when I try to log in, I need to use my credentials. Okay. If you don't want to use the credentials, but I totally recommend you to do the credentials. If you don't want to, just disable it. Now, if you go to the machine Scada, okay, we just need to go here to the project, communication. Here in the tag integration, add, search for CoDeSys. Here I'm going to use my PLC. It's going to be the name that I want. Here we just need to use the CoDeSys 3.something. Runtime address is going to be my node name, so it's going to be my M262L. If you don't know what it is, if you go to the device tree and double click on this one, it will open this and you should be able to find this, the node name. Now, if we go back here, that is the information you need to put there. So I didn't have too much luck in reading on the variables. So what I do is to import from the Machine Expert into the Scada the symbol configuration online. So you just need to browse for this. It's going to be this one over here. Okay. Okay. And then if you just want to use this in your application, tag integration, you should be able to see now on devices, my PLC, GBL, and here the variables that I have already selected from the other side. If you go to my application, GBL, I just only shared 3 variables. Okay. These are the variables that I can see here. So now, if I try to do this, it will not work. Okay. Well, it shouldn't work because I had the security already available here. So what we need to do is to go to the communication on the drivers, settings, authentication. Here we just need to use the password that we have on the PLC. Administrator 1. Here the station, okay, we just need to follow this syntax. ARTI3, comma, and the node name. my case is going to be my M262L. As soon as we get this, we should be able to see the communication going on. Let me just put this on the other window. So here you see that I have number 0. If we go back to Machine Expert, GBL here, so I want to put this over here. Yep. Okay. So I'm going to enable this. Hopefully, there we go. You see that it's working fine. Okay. I have the communication. I'm reading the variables. If I go here and select 1, it just resetted. You see that I have the communication working fine with that. Okay. So, once again, in order to make this work, settings, authentication, and use here ARTI number 3, comma, the node name that you have in Machine Expert, the user, and the password. That will do the trick, okay, in order to make that possible. Otherwise, it will not work, okay? So this is how you can make the communication between the Modicon M262 and 241, 251 into the EcoStruxure Machine Scada Expert using the tag integration with the credentials on the controller. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.